Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. I hope you're taking it slow. I hope you're taking it easy. I hope you're all having a good day. It's your boy, Nice and Easy. Now, it's been a minute since my last video. I'd like to apologize for that. I had some priorities I had to sort out the past 2 weeks, but now we're going to be back. I'm going to try to be uploading more often now. And let's get into the video. All right, here, like I said in the title, we're going to do an unboxing. As you see right here, this box. Doesn't look like a normal box that people might see from shippers, but it says here it's a MyShoppingBox. I'll get into that later. Well, I can get into it now actually. MyShoppingBox is a third-party courier that ships here to the Philippines. All my Filipinos out there, check it out. If you have a package from the States or in Europe, you can ship it over here. What they do is they get your package, you ship it to their address in the States or in Europe. So if you have a credit card, you can order. You ship it to their site over there. They'll repackage it and send it over here for a fee, depending on the weight and dimensions of the box. Now, of course, as we always do, as you can expect, these are shoes. These are shoes that came out a while back, and there's ones I really wanted after I saw them. Now let's get to open it. Need a knife so I don't break this box. Now, I got these shoes for retail off a very, very famous, I'm pretty sure all of you know it, StockX. Right now, everybody knows what StockX is. Everybody goes to StockX. Right here, right in the box, you can already see it's a Jordan 1 box. Now, these Jordan 1s came out a minute ago. I think they came out back in 2016, if I'm not mistaken. Here they are. Classic Jordan 1 box. Now, this is my first time seeing this. You can see I just opened up that package. Right here, US size 13. Then it says right there the colorway, Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Sail and University Red. So these are the Air Jordan 1 Sails in the Premium Essential Pack. Now let's get into the shoes. Close my knife. Cut. As you can see right here, here is my StockX receipt. StockX, there's that address. All this information, colorway, everything. StockX. This is my first time ordering from StockX. This is primarily an experiment. Wanted to do a video. Well, this is cool. Send me a freebie. Jason Mark Quick Wipes. Thank you, StockX. Shout out to you guys. Let's get into the shoes. Ooh, these are nice, man. They're so clean. Paper. Come on. Paper's not in that good shape. Oh, here we go. StockX sticker. You get every order from StockX. Then we have your card. That's how to get verified on StockX. Classic stuff. You already seen this. Here's the shoe. Woo! Bang! The Air Jordan 1 OG Sails. Now, these aren't an OG colorway, but these are the style of the OG, the high cut Air Jordans. So it's verified StockX. Now, they definitely smell like dead stock. Now, let me talk about these shoes a bit. These actually came out in a pack called the Premium Essentials Pack. Now, the Premium Essentials Pack is a pack of Air Jordan. There's 2 Air Jordan 1 colorways primarily. This off-white with sail and black. They were primarily made so that they can be fit with any type of style. Really, you can style these with anything because they were made so they can be flexible with any outfit. Anything you want to wear. Now, I really wanted these because look at them, they're so clean. Just take out the insert. They're so clean, so nice. I love that hit of red right there. That's my favorite part of the shoe. And the quality in these, I read was sick, and I was just feeling them. Slightly tumbled leather on the toe box. Tumbled leather on the side panel. Extra red laces. It's actually tumbled all the way around. You can hear slight tumbling that can focus. Except really here on the neck, but everything else seems to be tumbled leather. These are really, I heard these were really soft. These aren't as soft as I thought they were, but they're definitely premium quality. You can see the tumble. Now, tumbling is not necessarily an indicator of premium, but they're definitely nice. Right there, details always come here, Jordan 1s. These are cool. I'll definitely be sporting these with the red laces now. So I'm very happy with this purchase. And now I want to talk about how do you order shoes off StockX when you live in the Philippines. So we all know how StockX works. It's like a stock market. That's why it's called StockX. You can bid or you can buy right away depending on the asking price. If your bid is accepted, they'll process it, they'll ship it to you. Now they ship to over 200 countries worldwide, so you can definitely ship these directly to the Philippines. But we do have a law here that anything over 10,000 pesos stock will be taxed, and that causes problems because you have to shell out a bit of extra money. Now, so what you can do is if anything is below $200 cumulatively, the price you bought it on, including the shipping fee, that's no problem. Anything below 10,000 pesos, if you compute it, send it over here, no problem. At customs, they won't charge you anything extra, they'll ship it to you right away. But for example, these are worth $160. I bought these exactly at retail. Lucky to get these at retail, but what happens next? Well, with the additional $40, these would be exactly $200. This is slightly over 10,000. That's 10,400, I think, would be total amount. So I will be taxed. That's where these guys are. MyShoppingBox. They're a third-party courier. All you have to do is make an account, and they will give you an address in the US. Put in that address, they will be shipped there, and then they will be shipped here, and they will charge you depending on the weight and the dimensions of the box. In total, I paid around the same amount, a little over 200, because they had a local shipping fee, but not much over. Definitely not a lot of money over. It's only around maybe 500 more. So definitely worth it not to be taxed here. When it arrives, the package gets delayed. Now these took around 3 weeks in total. Took about a week to get verified and shipped to MyShoppingBox. So another 2 weeks from there to ship it here. Now you can also opt for it to be shipped by freight. That's definitely much cheaper than being shipped by air. But of course, I wanted to get this video out right away for you guys. That's definitely an option if you want to check out StockX, because everything is there. Everything is there for the price. You can trust their prices. I trust StockX. I know a lot of people are hating on StockX, saying that they're fakes. Of course, fakes are gonna get through. But now let's look at the shoes. Again, these are part of the Premium Essentials pack. And I can say that these are very, very premium. The sale colorway. These aren't as yellow as I thought. They're actually much more white in the light. Now, it's a good thing I see these in hand because these are much more stylish than I thought they would be. I'll definitely be sporting the red laces. I'll do it on feet, one foot with the sail laces, one foot with the red laces. But when I wear these, I'll definitely be doing the red laces. I love Air Jordan 1s. This is my 4th pair of Air Jordan 1s. Man, Air Jordan logo right there, wings. Okay. So here they are on feet, everybody. I got the red laces on the left pair, the StockX hang tag. Got the sail laces on the right pair. Now, like I said, these are going to be a great summertime shoe. Out in that, when you're going to be wearing those nice fresh clothes, nice light colors, you can pair these with anything. I'm definitely going to sport the red laces. I think they're a great accent to these reds on the tongue. Take a look at that side. Take a look at the front. Look at that. Toe back. Take a look at this side. Take a look at the back. Now I'm gonna walk away. And what I'm really gonna do with these, I'm gonna pair these with sweats, pants, anything. Got just a plain white t-shirt on, as you can see from the unboxing. I love these shoes. The leather feels really soft. Now when these crease, they're gonna get even softer. God, these are really nice. They have a red accent. Red's my favorite color too.